For all types of hair, cut your hair in the convenience of your home and be your own stylist. Easy to learn. Just clip, slide, and cut. Trim your bangs and create layers in just minutes with the CreaClips and get salon-grade results. Great for kids' haircuts and even men hair or just maintaining a hairstyle in between cuts. Save time and money from expensive and lengthy salon visits. Free instructional CREACLIP videos. DIY haircutting tool for many different hairstyles with rotating level for balanced and professional-looking cuts every time. The original CreaClip, trusted quality. A great tool for beginners and experienced home haircutters. 2 CreaClip sizes allow optimal support for all hair lengths, short, medium, long, all hair types, straight, wavy, curly, kinky, and all hair textures, fine, medium, thick, to make it easy to cut. Note: use the blue CreaClip for fine, thin hair to avoid hair from sliding out. Use white CreaClip for medium to thick hair. Very fine hair may require holding onto the CreaClip with one hand. Very thick hair may require parting the hair into 2 sections before cutting. Teeth and lock assist you to hold your hair in the right place while cutting. Rotating level ensures a balanced cut every time. Benefits of the original. Save time and money by skipping the salon and trimming your hair yourself. Keeps your hair look healthy and professionally cut. Easy to follow video instructions on YouTube. We are there for you 24/7. Be part of the CreaClip family of over 100,000 customers since 2008. Top reviews from the United States. Love creating new hairstyles whenever I feel like it. Love not spending $25 on a simple trim and not waiting in line. No more awkward conversations with nosy hairstylists. This tool is amazing. I've tried so many new haircuts since getting this BC. I really enjoy trying out new looks.